Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this 1965 Nova. It's been restored about 13 years ago. Engine was redone and put in 5 years ago. It's a 355 mild cam, automatic 3-speed transmission. Both have been built nicely. Really shows out well. Got a 4-inch cowl hood, fiberglass, great stance, iconic for the Nova. For an older paint job, it really shines well. Sitting on American racing wheels. Tires are in good shape. All your lights are working, turn signals, wipers, all working. All your gauges are working except your tachometer and speedometer. Let's get up and personal. Your chrome is good on here. Front bumper shines really nice. Grill's in good shape. Lines up well. All your glass around the whole entire car, no stories, in good shape. Front fender, no flaws. Wheels are in good shape. Lines up well to the fender as well as to the quarter. All your chrome and weather stripping around the car is in good shape. Nothing needs to be done there. Rear quarter's in good shape. No paint flaws, no chips. Trunk lines up well. Rear glass is good. All your lights are working. Rear chrome bumper, good shape. Passenger quarter to the door, good shape. Lines up well. Looks like the striker's off a little bit. We'll try to adjust that. Lines up good on the bottom and to the fender very well. It's got vent windows on there. Bucket seats. B&M shifter. Upgraded sound system. Couple speakers in the back. Interior's in good shape all the way through. Front passenger seat has a few tears in it. Let's open up the trunk, take a look inside there. Underneath the car is real clean as well, drives out well. Couple little woofers back there, Kenwoods. Nicely done. All your weather stripping on the trunk is good. Looks like original welds. Check out underneath here. Nice little details under the hood here. Orange cowl hood, aluminum radiator, keeps it nice and cool. Painted inside nicely. Power brakes. Nice little chrome valves. Little set of headers on there. Nicely done. Real nice, reasonable price car. Definitely ready for cruise night. Let's fire this bad boy up. Okay. Uh-oh, backwards key. Nice sound. Gas gauge is working, radio's working, sun visors are there, dash pad is in great shape and painted. Blinkers are working, turn signals I should say. It's old school. All the carpet's good. Got a nice little cam in there. Looking to do some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com, find the car, hit apply now, minimum 10% down, up to 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, good rates, up to 84 months, approval within 24 hours. We've got over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, video, and photos are online. We ship anywhere United States, enclosed or open, insured and bonded to your front door. Please text me or call me. I'll get you quotes or answer any questions on any of our cars at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, and open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Please call me to get in. I'll answer any of your questions over the phone or text me. Again, that number is 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Tell your friends. Let's get this baby home with you. Have a great day.